Welcome back to our update on Barcelona's new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. The construction of the second level of the stadium is well underway. The pillars for the second level of the third stand are nearly all in place. This is a significant milestone in the construction process. But that's not all. In the corner area of Gol Sur and Lateral, 8 transverse beams are being assembled to support the third floor, where the VIP ring and third stands will be located. Moving on, new decorative panels for the roof of the first level have been successfully installed. The area is already concreted, and there is significant progress in the first level slabs. These slabs are crucial as they are close to connecting the entire grandstand from the south goal to the lateral sector. Now, let's take a look at the lower area of the stands inside the Spotify Camp. Notable updates can be seen here. The structure for the new seating area has been defined, and several sections have already been covered where seats will be placed when the stadium reopens. It's exciting to see the transformation taking place. As construction progresses at Barcelona's new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou, we can't help but feel the excitement building up. If you want to stay up to date with all the latest updates and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.